Hello CCMG members, it's nice to meet you. I'm Natasha Anthony, General Manager of BYC Aqua Solutions, South Africa. We are facilitating the CCMG Masterclass in February 2018. The topic is, customers are from Venus and companies are from Mars. Why should you attend? Well, we'll be more than happy to share with you our experience in understanding customer expectations and how to ensure that every level of your contact center benefits from measuring and acting on findings from customer measurement. Many of you will fulfill QA in your contact centers, and we know that with realities there are always changing priorities, which means that we don't always solve the strategic desires of our customers quickly enough. When BYC speaks of customers, we speak of our internal customers, our agents and team leaders, as well as external, the people that we serve every day. The session we're delivering in February will be relaxed, educational, and very interactive. In fact, I urge you to bring your typical challenges from your contact centers. We can engage and share our decades of international experience in how to solve those challenges. We really look forward to meeting with you in February. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening. See you soon.